Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to earn in a dollar using tech skill step by step. Want to earn in a dollar by living in your country. As it's possible. Many developers are doing it. In this video, I will show you how you can do the same thing using tech skill. Let's be clear. The reality is earning in dollar is real, but not easy. You need skills, consistency, smart strategy. No shortcuts. Step 1. Learn a valuable skills. First choose a skill that is in demand. Web development, app development, UI UX design, data analysis. Focus on one skills. Okay, and step 2 is build proof project. Client i mean client don't trust words, they trust proof. They trust on proof. So build real project, portfolio, and github. Your work should speak. Start freelancing. Step 3 is start freelancing on platform like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, TopTal. Okay, start small, even 5 to 10 dollar job matter. Step 4, remote jobs. After gaining experience, apply for remote jobs. Many company hire globally. You can earn in dollar while working from home. Okay. So step 5 is build online presence. So your work online, LinkedIn, GitHub, portfolio website. This attract opportunities. Bigger mistake is avoid these things, learning too many skills, not building project, expecting fast money. This delays success. Okay, and simple plan is learn one skill, build a project, start freelancing, apply for remote jobs. Simple but powerful. Don't chase dollar, build a skill. Dollar will follow. Okay, so start today. Your global career can begin now. Subscribe for more tech career tips. Take care.